Hello students, welcome to Understanding Quadrilaterals Part 3. Coming to the first question, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. If it is given as 3:2 as the ratio, then let the actual length we can take it as 3x and 2x respectively. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So I am going to draw a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and it is given that adjacent angles. So let this be 3x and this be 2x. And you know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So if this is 3x, this also is 3x, and if angle C is 2x, angle A is also 2x. So all the four angles I have written here. Now you all know that the sum of all the angles of a parallelogram is equal to 360 degree. So 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 360 degree. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 10. So 10x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree divided by 10, that is equal to 36 degree. Now we have to find out each angle. So angle D is equal to angle B is equal to, they both are 3x. 3x, that means it is equal to 3 into 36 degree. What is 3 into 36 degree? 180 degree each, angle D and angle B. Similarly, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 2x. So angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 2 into, what is the value of x we have got here? 36 degree. So that is equal to 72 degree. So we got this as angle A and angle C as 72 degree each, angle D and angle B as 180 degree each. Coming to the next sum, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure, equal. So I am going to draw a parallelogram, and it is given that this parallelogram ABCD adjacent angles, that means this angle and this angle are equal. So you know that in a parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle B should be equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? They are the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Okay, adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Now I am going to take this as x degree. So if this, it's given that it is equal. So if angle A is x, then angle B also can be x. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. What is 1x plus 1x? 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree means what? They are perpendicular. This and this are perpendicular. So if these two are perpendicular, then these two are also adjacent angles. So this also should be 90 degree. These two are adjacent angles, so this also should be 90 degree. So you know that if in a parallelogram, if all the angles are 90 degree, then it can be a square or a rectangle. So if all the measures are equal, then it should be 90 degree each. Coming to the next question, the following figures, guns, G-U-N-S, guns, and here R-U-N-S, runs. It's given here, and you are asked to find out the value of x and y, and the lengths of the parallelogram are given. Here 26 and here 3y minus 1. So you know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So you can equate 26 and 3y minus 1. They are equal. What is the reason? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So 3y minus 1 and 26 are equal. So 3y is equal to what? Minus 1, you are going to take it into this side. So 26 plus 1, that is 27. So 3y is equal to 27. So y is equal to 27 divided by 3, that is equal to 9. Now coming to the other two sides, that means 3x and 18. That also are equal. 3x is equal to 18 because they are the opposite sides of the parallelogram. So x is equal to 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 centimeter. It's given that it is measured in centimeter. So x is equal to 6 centimeter and y is equal to 9 centimeter. Coming to the next parallelogram, runs, R-U-N-S. And here diagonals are given. Here the lengths are given. And we have taken the property of the lengths of the parallelogram. And since here it is diagonals which is given, you are going to take the property of the diagonals of parallelogram. What is it? The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of the parallelogram are bisecting each other. That means they bisect each other. Bisect each other means it divides it into two equal parts. So then I can say that this part, that means SO should be equal to OU. SO should be equal to OU. So what is SO? It is 20, which is equal to y plus 7. So y is equal to what? Plus 7. If you take it into this side, what will it become? 20 minus 7, that is equal to 13 centimeter. Similarly, coming to the other diagonal, that is RN. RN, I am going to split this into two equal parts, that means RO and ON. So according to the property of the parallelogram, RO should be equal to ON. And RO is written as 16. It is given already as 16 is equal to ON is given as x plus y. And we already got the value of y as 13 centimeter. So I am going to substitute the value of y. That means 16 is equal to x plus, and instead of y I am writing 13 centimeter. So x is equal to this plus 13. I am going to take it into this side towards the left side. So plus 13 becomes minus 13. So 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So x we got it as 3 centimeter and y as 13 centimeter. Hope you understood